This is cabin 210 on Lido deck. It's a balcony cabin. It's almost the most forward cabin there is. Let's take a quick look through. They delivered our luggage. Got a big full-length mirror here. My hair's a little messed up. Over here is the closet. About 20 coat hangers. Safe. Shelves. These safes are always a hassle. Big shelf up here, life preservers. Supposed to have a couple robes, only see one. This is the bathroom. Pretty standard for a ship. Very small, in other words. Got some shelves over there. Another mirror. Nice and bright. Shower, curtain. How's that look? Soap and shampoo, I'm guessing. Toilet. Let's see the rest of the room. Bed, lamp. It's a luxury bed, it says, whatever that means. Big mirror. Picture on this side. Painting. Little TV. Maybe 32. Of course, I'll be watching it from way back here. Anyway. Remote control. Lots of reading materials. And some napkins. Drawers. Vanity. Or just a desk. Outlets. I guess that is all the lights on that thing. The chair, the table. This is the refrigerator. We've already put stuff in it.
There's no blow dryer.
Janet says there's no blow dryer, but I know there is somewhere. I'll find it in a minute for her. That water was in the refrigerator. They sell it. It's not free. And then this is the balcony. So it's got reclining chairs. Not loungers, but chairs. But they go back pretty far. And it's, you know, big enough. Got the bridge there. We're on deck 15, which is Lido deck. This is the port of Los Angeles, or San Pedro. That's where the boats go out to Catalina. There's a large cargo ship just pulled in by, went right in front of us. That's the Vincent Thomas Bridge. Los Angeles downtown is up that way somewhere. I'm going to say 15 miles, maybe 20. This is what it looks like up above, so that's deck 16. So I'm thinking people can stand up there and see us down here if they really want. Light with a switch. And that has curtains to close it off. And make everything in here a nice, soft, warm yellow. Anyway, so that's a balcony cabin on the Ruby Princess. Ruby Princess. Port monkeys out.
Okay.
By the way, the answer to the question, where is the blow dryer? Well, it's right there, hanging on the wall. Ooh, that's a nice one. This is our cabin after we've lived in it for a few days. Not too bad. They'd make up the room in the morning and then fix it up at night, turn down, I guess. Well, nobody ever sits in that chair. I just throw my clothes there. Refrigerator, though. I had to take those water bottles out. Little TV. Janet wants me to point out the blow dryer that she couldn't find. Oh well.
You found it.
And I'm pointing out to her that you got to lock it in tight. Lovely artwork, mirrors. You know, I never get tired of those. Closet. Closet has no doors. Lots of hangers though. And there's of course these. Safe is a nuisance. Almost every ship we go on has one of these safes, and unless you lock it shut, it always opens on you. Bathroom. Some of them have the handles that come off, you know, with the hose. I like those better, I have to say. But there's room in here. When we were on the Epic, there was no room for my knees. I think it was. And, well, I felt bad for people taller than me.